Good evening, sir.
Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Yeah,
evening.
yeah, cool. So I request everyone to please switch on your cameras. Okay. Let's wait for 2 more minutes and then start the class. I hope five participants joined till now. Let's wait for 2 more minutes and then start the class.
Sir, for 1 minute, can I off my camera, sir? I
Yeah,
just got-
cool. Yeah. So what is the usual class run?
Sir, one new person has been joining this, sir. Actually, our class time is 9 to 10.
Okay, 9 to 10. Fine.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. So let's wait for 1 more minute and then start the class.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. A very good evening, everyone. I request everyone to please turn on your cameras. I hope I'm audible to everyone, right? My voice is loud,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today let us discuss about properties of cube of numbers.
Cube, sir.
So you can understand my handwriting, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Properties of cube of numbers. Cubes of all numbers are odd. So for example, this is property 1. So for example, what is the odd number? Give me an odd number.
3.
3.
So if I multiply 3 times, what the product do I get?
57.
27.
So if you multiply an odd number 3 times, you will get another odd number. So this property says cubes of all the odd numbers, whatever odd number you take from 1 to infinity. If you multiply 3 times, again the resultant will be again the product of these odd number. If you multiply 3 times, what? Odd number, right? So this is the property 1. I hope everyone of you got this. Zubair,
sir.
Nainika, Lasya, Gautam Krishna.
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone of you got this.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes, sir.
those people. Charan Tej, Gnana, Gagana, Pranava Shiva, sorry. Okay, everyone of you got this, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is the thing. So cube again next. Cubes of all.
Sir, like the first one says, sir, like the first example says, if we multiply a odd number with odd times, we get the odd answer. Like the odd number, we get the answer.
Yes, correct.
Sir, sir, if it's not even a cube, if we multiply it into 5 times, sir, the same number, n to the power of 5, then it will still be an odd number, right, sir?
No, suppose if you take an odd number, suppose if
3,
you take
sir.
an odd number 3, if you multiply it odd times 5, okay,
Yes, sir.
you'll get another odd number.
That's what I was saying, sir. Yeah, if we
Yes.
multiply an odd number by an odd number's power, then it will always be an odd number.
Yes, correct, correct. So next, cube of all even numbers. Suppose if I take,
If an odd number, has an exponent of an even number also, the answer will be odd only, sir. You check for 2 power 4, 2 power 6 answer. No. 3 power 6, 3 power 4, you check, sir.
3 power 4 is what?
Sir?
3 power 4 is what?
81 is odd, no, sir.
That is even, right? So we are talking here odd case. Base is odd and power is odd case we are talking about. Okay. See, if the base is odd and power is odd, then the product will be odd. Okay. Here also it is odd. If you take any number.
Is an odd number, right?
Yes, 81 is an odd number. But I'm talking about odd case. When base is odd, and power is also odd, then what? Product will be odd. So this is the case I'm talking about. If you see 5 to the power of 4, how much you will get? 625. Correct. 5 to the power of, or else you take any odd number, to the power of even, then you will get odd only. But talking about the case, odd base and odd power. Okay. Any doubt here? Students, any doubt here?
Sir, can you explain once again?
Okay, fine. I am telling that you take an odd number. Suppose I am taking odd number as 3. If you multiply 3 4 times, you will get odd number. Okay. And if you multiply 3 5 times, even 5 times also you will get odd number only. That is 243.
That's what I said, sir. Like if the base is odd, then if the base is odd, the answer.
Your point is valid. Your point, what you told is valid. What I am saying is, first case which I took is odd to the power odd is always odd. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's the case I'm talking about. First case is that odd power odd is always odd. Okay. Next, even
Sir,
to the power.
like I have a doubt, sir.
Okay.
When we multiply odd and even, which is the greater one, we will be getting that answer.
I didn't get you.
Sir, like if we multiply one odd and one even, like the cube.
Sir, if the power is odd or even, if the base is odd, then the cube will also be an odd, sir.
Base is?
If the base is odd number and the power is, it may be odd or even, the answer will be an odd number only, sir.
Yes, odd number only. Correct. Correct. Okay. Next, cubes of even numbers is even. So, sorry, cubes of odd even number. Yes. So 2 cube if you take, that will be 2 into 2. That will be 8. Okay. 2 4 you take, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That will be 16. Okay. So these are the simple principles. If you take a number, multiply n number of times, you will obviously get to know what it is, odd number or even number. Okay. Don't worry about this. Okay. Fine. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
and write down this point. Cube.
Could you little bit scroll up a bit? Yes, sir.
So cubes of numbers ending with 2 will always end in 8. So I will give an example here. Suppose if I take a number 12. Here if you see, this number is ending with what? 2 or not? This number is ending with 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I am taking
Yes, sir.
now I am taking cube of this number. So do I get 12 into 12 into 12? So 12 into 12 is 144.
144.
Again 144 into 12. What do I get? 8.
8.
And here 8 and this is 288 and this is 144. Overall, how much I am getting?
Sir, 1728, sir.
So it is 8 2
7.
7 1.
One.
So 178. 1728. So if you observe here, whenever the digit which you take, if the unit digits end with 2, then the resultant or product of that number will be also end with what? 8. Are you getting my point? Suppose if I give you
Yes, sir.
32,
Yes, sir.
suppose if I give you 32, please give an answer for this and tell me what digit is at 8. Everyone please do this. So your unit digit of this product will be ending with 8.
Yes, sir.
Check this.
Sir, 32768.
So 32 into 32 you will be getting as 464 and this will be 69. So 4
So 32,768.
so you will be getting
32,768, sir.
Yes.
correct. So you'll be getting 32 square as 104. Again, I'm multiplying 32 square into 32. That will be equal to 32 cube. So 32 cube, again 32 here. So that would be 8402 and that would be 2, 1 and that would be 7 and it would be again 30. So that would be 8218. This is 32 and this is 32,828. So your unit digit is ending
No, sir, no, sir.
8 or not?
Sir, you did addition wrong.
It's ending with 8. Yes, sir, it is ending with 8. Yes.
Your unit digit here is ending with 8
Addition,
or not?
addition is wrong, sir.
Sir, you did the addition wrong, sir.
Where?
8 plus 1, sir.
Sir, 4 plus 2 is 6, sir. And 7 we have to directly rectify, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
So your unit digit here is 8 or not? So any digit
Yes,
if
sir.
you take, so any digit if you take and which ends with 2, if you multiply 3 times, the final product will be ends with 8. Okay. So that's the statement here. Cubes of numbers ending with 2 will always end in 8. So I hope every one of you got this point.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Similarly, cubes of numbers ending with 8 always end with 2. Okay, you check with 8 cube
Sir, we
Let me
need to
check
post the answer in the chat box.
18 cube. So please send answers on the chat box, everyone.
Okay, sir.
What is 18 cube? Please send the answer in the chat box.
Sir, I have sent, sir.
Okay. 8 cube is, yes, 512. And what about 18 cube? What about 18 cube? It's 5832. Okay. What I mean to say here is, if the unit digit of any given number 8, and if you multiply that number 3 times, then the product which you get with the unit digit as 2. Okay, with a unit digit as 2. Any confusion till now? Any
No, sir.
confusion till now? Nainika, Pranavas, Zubair, Lasya,
Good, sir.
No, sir.
Gautam, Rahman, Rahim,
Yes, sir.
Gagana. Any doubts till now?
No, sir. No, sir.
Any doubts till now?
No, sir.
Okay,
sir.
fine. Okay, fine. So next point. I hope everyone of you taking the notes. Cubes of numbers ending with
1, 4, 5, 6, 9.
3 will end in 7. And similarly, cubes of
1,
numbers ending 7 will always end with 3. Will always end with 3. Correct. So if you check now, so what is 3 cube?
27.
Sir.
27, sir.
It is ending with or not? Sorry, 7 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So if
sir.
I take if I take 7 cube, 343.
40.
Out till now. So if any number whose unit digit is 3, if you multiply 3 times, the unit digit will be 7. And vice versa. Again, if you take any number where digit is 7, if you multiply 3 times, the product unit digit will be 3. So any confusion till now?
No, sir.
Good, sir.
Okay. Should I move on? I hope everyone of you copied this.
Yes.
Varshit, Gautam, Charantej,
Yes, sir.
Rahim,
Sir.
Nainika, Zubair,
Yes, sir.
Gagana. Everyone please give thumbs up.
So what mistake, sir, I'm copying?
Gagana, right? Okay.
Last
Lasya,
year,
any
sir.
doubt?
Last year, sir, I'm copying.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next. So cubes of numbers,
1, 4, 5, 6, 9.
cubes of numbers ending with 4, 5, 6, and 9 will end in 4, 5, 6, and 9. 4, 5, 6, 9. If you take,
Sir, 1 also, sir. Right, sir.
it will again end in 4, 5, 6, 9 only. If you
The one
multiply it
also.
3 times.
1 also, sir.
Suppose 1 also. Okay. So if you take 1 and multiply 3 times, to take 1 and multiply 3 times, that will be 1. To take 1 and multiply 4 times, the unit digit will be 64. If you take 5, multiply 5 times, the
125.
unit digit again it will be 5. If you take 6 and multiply 3 times,
216.
how much you are getting? 216. If you take 9 and multiply 3 times,
729.
720. So you see here, 1 you are multiplying 3, you are getting unit digit as 1. 4 you are multiplying 3 times, you are getting unit digit as 4. 5 you are multiplying 3 times, you are getting unit digit as 5. 6 you are multiplying 3 times, you are getting unit digit as 6. 9 you are multiplying 3 times, you are getting unit digit as 9. Any confusion till now?
No, sir.
Any confusion till now? No,
No,
right?
sir.
Okay, fine.
So this point,
Now,
could you explain again?
sorry?
This point, could you explain again, sir? This point, cubes of numbers ending with.
Cube of numbers ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you multiply 1 3 times here, what you are getting?
1.
Suppose if you multiply 4 3 times here, unit digit what you are getting?
64.
Sorry?
64.
64. So 4 is in the unit digit, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm telling here is if you multiply a number which ends with 4, if you multiply 3 times, again the product end digit will be 4 only.
4. Okay.
5 if you multiply 3 times, the unit digit of the product will be
5.
5 only. 6 if you multiply 3 times, the unit digit of product will be 6 only.
6 only.
9 if you multiply 3 times, the unit digit of product will be
9 only.
9 only. Okay, any doubts, students? Everyone?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, fine. So now, cube of fractions. Cube of fractions. So we are done with properties. Next, cube of fractions. Cube of fractions. So if you see here, if a fraction is nothing, suppose if I give you 4 by 5 as number. So 4 by 5 as one number. And if I tell you to go for 4 by 5 whole cube, then what you will do? You will go for multiplying 4 3 times. Sorry?
64 by 125.
Yes, correct. So if you will be going 5 multiplying 3 times. So that would be how much finally? 64 by 125. And next, if I tell you to multiply 7 by 5 3 times, then what you will be doing? You will be multiplying 7 in 3 times.
343 by 125.
And 5 multiplying 3 times. And that would be how much? 343 by
343.
125. Now, please give me answer for minus 6 by minus 7 whole cube.
216 by 343.
By 343.
216 by 343. What about minus 2 by 3 whole cube?
Minus
Minus 8 by 9.
Minus
27.
8
Minus 8 by 27.
Minus 8 by 27.
Minus 8 by
27.
9. Sorry, 27. Okay. Any doubts till now?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's make a table now. Okay, suppose okay. So if I multiply 1 3 times, what I will get? 1, 2,
8,
8. 3, what is the unit digit?
7,
4, unit digit will be 4. 5,
5,
unit digit will be 5. 6, unit digit will be 6. Right? 7, unit digit will be 3. And if you see here, 8, unit digit will be 2.
Digit school trip.
And 9, unit digit will be
9.
9. So if you see here, same digits are 1, 4, 6, and
So
5
5.
and 9.
So 5 and
5
And 9.
and 9. If we here, there is one intersection, vice versa here. What is that vice versa? 2 to 8. And 8, if you multiply 8 3 times, you'll get 2. Right? And there is another vice versa here.
3 and
What
7.
is that?
3 and 7 and 7 and 3.
3 and 7, 7, 3.
3 and 7. And what? 7 and 3. So there are only major vice versa. 2 to 8 and 8 to 2. So if unit digit, if you multiply 3 times, you will get unit digit as 2. This you multiply 8 multiply 3 times, you will be getting 2. Similarly for 7. 7 if you multiply 3 times, you will be getting 3. And 3 if you multiply 3 times, unit digit will be 7. So any confusion till now? Rest all numbers are same. Any confusion till now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everybody please, please go through this and let me know if you have any doubts. Please go hand. Okay. So please copy this.
Done, sir.
Everybody done?
Yes.
Everybody done?
Done, sir.
Everybody. Nainika, Zubair, Gagana, Lasya, Karthik,
No doubt, sir.
Varshish, Gautam, Rahim. I request Pranava Shiva,
Done, sir.
Gautam, Krishna, Varshit, and Rahim to switch on their cameras. So I can't keep on telling to switch on your cameras. So this is my sincere request. Once you are in class, please turn on the cameras. Okay. So we are done with this. So now let us discuss what is perfect cube. what's, sorry, not cube, cube root. Okay. So we are done with fractions. We are done with 1 to 20 cube roots. Now we will be discussing what is we 1 to 20 be done with cubes, and from now we will be discussing what is cube root. Okay.
So the question is, what is a perfect cube root?
Sorry.
The question is, what is a perfect cube root?
That we will discuss. As
Now
class
we are just
continues, we will
discussing about just cube root.
now we are discussing about cube root.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. So if you see here, the cube roots of a number x are the numbers y which satisfy the equation. So the cube roots of number x are the numbers y which satisfy the equation. The equation in here is y cube is equal to x. Y cube is equal to x. A cube root number denoted as where y is equal to cubed root of x. Cubed root of x. Okay, cubed root of x. It can also be written as y is equal to how much? X to the power 1 by 3. Okay, x to the power 1 by 3. Suppose if I give you a number 8 and
A
tell to
little
find
bit,
out.
could you scroll up, sir? Only little. Last line I have. Do down.
So why did you write x is equal
Yes, sir.
to x to the power 1 by 3?
Sorry.
Why did you write y is equal to x to the power 1 by 3?
Why did I write y is equal to x? So what here I wrote?
Y cube is equal to x.
Y cube is equal to
X.
x. Then x will be equal x 1 by 3 equal to y.
Like if a number like if the
so
power is in
understand-
fraction, then we need to find the root of that.
No. Please, you will understand this once I will discuss with an example. Okay. No worries.
Sir,
Suppose if I give you a number 8 and tell you to find out what is the cube root of 8. So what you will do, you will simply take cubed root of 8 and that will be equal to 2 cube you already know and cubed root. I already told you 2, 3 cubed root can be written as cube root or what? 1 by 3. So if you we already know that a to the power of m in whole to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of mn.
So 2 power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3, 3 cancel. So the answer is 2.
So answer is 2. Okay. So this is how we have to find out the answer. So cubed root means nothing but cubed root of any given number. Suppose cubed root of any given number is nothing but number n to the power 1 by 3. This is called cubed root. Any confusion till now? What is square root?
Now understood, sir.
The cube
What?
root is different.
Someone is talking something. Yes.
Sir,
understood.
I didn't understood, sir.
So
Okay, last.
the one
how to find the cube root of fraction?
Yeah, we will discuss. You don't be in hurry. We will discuss step by step. Okay.
So for cube root, we are writing n to the power 1 by 3. For square root, we'll be writing like n to the power 1 by 2.
Yes, n to the power 1 by 2.
Okay.
Cube
Fourth
root
root
the cube root only I did got.
Cube root is nothing but you will be writing. Suppose if I ask you what is the cube root of n? What is the cube root of 64? What you will do? 64 to the power of cube. Cube root. This is cube root. And
Yes,
cube
sir.
root is denoted by this, or number to the power of base to the power of 1 by 3. So these are the two methods which we denote cube root or cube root. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you already know 4 cubes is nothing but 64. So 1 by 3. So this final answer will be how much? 4.
Yes, sir.
So it's an inverse. So you know what is inverse, right?
Yes, sir.
Ulta.
Reversing the
So
number.
what here we are doing is 4 cube is 64, right? And cube root of 64 is 4.
4.
So cube is 1. Okay. Cube root of 1 is 1. Similarly, 2 cube is 8.
8.
Cube root of 8 is 2. 3 cube is 27.
27.
Cube root of 27 is
3.
3.
3, sir.
4 cube is
64.
64. Cube root of 64 is
4.
4. So what we are doing here? This is a reverse engineering. So it is called as what? The thing which you are doing, again we are taking it back. So when you are taking it back, we are taking it as root, not as a power, as a root. So here you see 2 cube. 2 cube is power. Here you see 1 cube. 1 cube is power. 2 cube is power. But if you see here, root means what? Inverse. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Similarly, somebody of you asking what is square root? Suppose 2 square is 4. Square root of 4 is what? 2. Are you getting my point? So here
Yes,
you need
sir.
not to write it as square. Why? Because it is called as square root. So here instead of writing, we need not to write it as 2. But for 3, 4, 5, we have to write it down. But till now we are learning only cube root. Cube root only we will be learning. Here, any higher class you go, we will be learning till cube root only. Roots, we have many number of roots, but I'm telling you till cube root only you will be learning. Suppose if I give you 3 square. Suppose if I give you 3 square. 3 square is equal to 27. So
Sir,
cube.
9, sir.
So this will be how much? Sorry. What I am doing? Extremely sorry. 9, right? So 9 is equal to how much? 3. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Any doubt here, students? So once you solve the problems, you will come to know. I hope till now you got everything what I told. Any doubts, please raise your hand and please go through what I said. Any doubts, please raise your hand. Charan, Varshit, and Rahim, Karthik Reddy, Gautam Krishna, your
Sir, no
camera is
doubts.
off.
No,
Lasya. So if everyone this, please raise a thumbs up.
No,
Gautam
sir.
Krishna,
My
what
doubt is
happened?
clarified.
Sir, if a number is multiplied by itself 2 times, twice, we call it square. 3 times we call it
Yes.
cube. What do we call it if we multiply itself by 4 times?
4 times we don't call it. So there is no specific number name given for that, but we tell it as quadruple. Quadruple means multiplied 4 times.
So in this, when we are finding root, we'll in the place of 3, we'll write 4.
Yes, that's it. So in general, what we will be discussing there is square and cube. That's it. Okay. 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. We will simply say it as a power 5, power 6, power 7. No specific names for those.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So why we are learning this square and cube means to find out your area of mensuration in next coming classes 9th and 10th. You will be finding what
Volume.
mensuration in in mensuration chapter, you will be finding area and volume. So in area and volume, you will be, for area, you will be multiplying twice, and for volume, you will be multiplying thrice, depending upon the dimensions of the given, what you say, shape, circle or square or triangle or anything. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt now, students?
No,
Nainika, Zubair, Gagana,
No, sir.
Varshit,
No, sir.
Lasya,
No, sir.
Karthik.
No, sir.
So
No.
if no doubts,
No, sir.
great.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Suppose if you give you cubed root of,
Sir, I have one doubt.
who's that?
Sir, Gagana, sir.
Yes.
So it's a question from my textbook. How many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of 2 centimeters?
How many sides of?
How many cubes of a side 1
Okay.
centimeter will make a cube of 2 centimeters?
8, sir. Sorry, 4, sir.
Yeah, 8.
8, sir. 8, sir.
Yeah, 8.
So can you explain it once?
So this is okay, fine. So we are discussing here concept. Once we discuss the problems, we will discuss that. But anyways, it's already 6 o'clock. We are done with the class, and hope you don't have any doubts. I will be continuing in the next class. You please find out answer for this. Cubed root of 164. This is homework. Cubed root of 125 into 64.
I will send now, sir.
No. This is homework. Homework should be done after the class. Okay. I really feel very happy for your answer, but and this 27 into 343.
Send, sir. I have sent.
These two questions, sir.
These two questions are homework.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'll copy the question.
Sir, I have
Okay.
answers of these two questions, sir. In
Sir,
chat.
Navanya
Yeah,
got
very
the
great. Very
answer,
great.
sir.
Very great.
Navanya got the answer, sir.
Great. Fine. Gagana, what is your doubt?
Sir, I also got the answer, sir. Sir,
Great.
Sir, it's like how many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 2
Sir, could you
centimeters?
little scroll up? Yes. The second one I'm copying.
Sir, can I? I'm up, sir.
Yeah, Nainika.
Nothing, sir. I got my answers. That's what I was saying.
Okay, fine. Okay, I hope you noted this last year. So Gagana, your doubt is they are saying what is 1 cube? What is 1 cube?
1, sir.
So what is the question? Once again, repeat, Gagana.
So 1 minute. So it's how many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 2 centimeters?
How many cubes of 1 centimeter?
How many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 2 centimeters?
So 1 cube will make 1 centimeter, right? What is 2 cube make? What is 2 cube answer is?
8.
Yeah, 8. So for 8, how many cubes they are asking? One they are asking, right? So if you multiply this, into 8, 1 cube into 8, if you multiply 1 cube into 8 times, you will be getting what?
8.
8 as the answer. So answer is 8.
Okay, sir.
So 8 times of 1 cube will give you cubes of side 2 centimeters.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 8 times of 1 cube will give cubes of 2 centimeters. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can also write in this way.
So cubes is like 3D of square, right, sir?
Sorry.
Cube is like a 3D shape of square, right?
Yeah, 3D shape of a square.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday I told you, no, in yesterday's class.
Yes, sir. 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional.
Yeah, here it is.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, doubts from today's class, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, chalo, thanks. Okay, let's have a great day and let's meet on Thursday class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank
chalo,
you.
bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah, wish you the same. Bye bye.